Hey guys, this is Puneet Tandon from Young Urban Project. I was just sitting and thinking, how could I make your weekend a little more worthwhile by sharing a very neat and a cool trick with you that's going to help you really a lot. As you know, marketing and digital marketing and all forms of marketing are a lot about execution, but it's also about strategy. And strategy also encompasses getting in touch with the right people at the right time. If you're into SEO, you know that you need to get in touch with a lot of people who write their own blogs or run their own websites, and you can get in touch with them and get your backlinks included in their articles, or you could submit guest posts there. If you're a media buying or a paid media professional, you also need to get in touch with, let's say, OTT platforms or other publishers and get advertising deals from them. So how do you get in touch with those people? Let's say you're a guest article writer or a blogger or someone who runs a business and you're looking to get featured on some other website. It could be a 𝘕𝘂'𝗋𝗋 or a Your Story, or it could be any other website that you're talking about on the face of this earth. How do you get in touch with those people? Obviously, there are these contact forms on those websites, but if you guys have been trying those contact forms, you know they don't always work. So what do you do in those cases? Let's find out. I'm going to share this extremely cool trick with you, which will let you get in touch with the team, management team, editorial team, or any other people of any websites, and you can find out their contact details in a jiffy. So let's get the nerd on. So the first thing that you need to do is go to this website called hunter.io. This is the website that allows us to find out what we are looking for. So first thing first, you'll have to sign up on the website, which is free. You'll have to use a company account. Mind it, it does not take your Gmail or other webmail accounts, so you'll need your own domain to sign up on this website. Now what we have to do is go to this search box and just type the URL of any company that we are looking for. Let's say we are looking for 𝘕𝘂'𝗋𝗋. Just press enter and you will see all the email addresses with departments out here. If you are looking for jobs, you can see the human resource email address. You are looking for management, you can find out the management's email address. If you're looking for the CEOs or the executive team, you can find out those email addresses. You have auditions, email addresses, and a lot more. Now what this tool does is it crawls over the internet and finds out the information that's associated with a certain domain name and shows it. This tool is free of cost. So go ahead, use it. But remember, there'll be quite a few websites for which you will not be able to find these details, specifically if they have chosen to disallow the crawlers, or they're not too big yet to get crawled. So there might be issues you might find, but in my experience, I've generally found out most of the contact details that I need, and then I get in touch with them. Please remember, do not use this tool for unethical practices or scraping data. Do not use that. Use it only to help your business, to help what you're doing, whether it's freelance or job or whatever. Use it for productive reasons. So that's my trick for today. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this trick, share it with me on comments. I love reading your comments and replying to them. If you want to find out something else, if you have another question, send it to me. Remember, I'm answering video questions on priority. So if you send me a video with your question, I'll be answering it very soon. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next post.